Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. So you guys, today's video is going to be a quick video, just a hair update after I got my hair parted by my sister-in-law in Kansas. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. I got my hair parted by my sister-in-law Tiara when I was in Kansas in December 17th. She parted my hair of 2022, and now today is January 22nd of 2023. That was like a mouthful. It's January 22nd 2023 now, and this is a little bit over a 1 month update. I have reverted my hair back. I washed my hair. That video, I don't know when it's going to be up, but I did revert my hair. I've only washed my hair once. I can't remember when I washed it. I think I was like a couple of days before I hit my month mark. I was a couple of days shy of that, so it's only been about like a week since I washed my hair. But this is what my hair looks like, fully reverted. I am feeling scissor happy again. I am gonna be completely honest. I'm feeling scissor happy because so the reason why I wanted my sister-in-law to part my hair was because I felt like my parts suck. Not even gonna like cap. My parting sucks. So when I go like this to the temples of my hair, when I part my hair, it's like I know that I am not getting an even amount of hair. Like, do you guys see how that is just perfect? Like them little antennas the little girlies is doing nowadays or whatever. Like, that's even. So with that being said, you guys can see how thick, and I hope this light isn't too bright, but you guys can see how it's thick all the way here, and then it just gets completely thin right here. And I've showed you guys this before, but look how long that hair is. I literally feel like just taking the scissors and snipping that part off, because you can't even see what's going on anymore. Like, and then you see how this one, it's the same density up here, and then it just gets really, really thin. And I literally feel like this is thick and fluffy until you get about here, and then all of this needs to be cut off. Like, I don't even know if you guys can see that, but that's like over 9 inches of hair that still needs to be cut off. So what I'm trying to do to just cope with not taking scissors to the ends of my hair and snipping my hair off again, I did a big chop, or a good trim for me. I cut about, I say in some areas 9 inches, in some areas like the top area about 13 inches, because the top of my head, like in this area, it grows so much faster than the hair underneath. So I know, like, I wasn't trying to take too much hair off down here, but I can't find my scissors, and I honestly feel like my husband hid my scissors. But one other thing that I had noticed is, I noticed I get scissor happy, and this is TMI, but you here with me. So I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to be truthful. I get real gangster and scissor happy like a couple of days before Eve come. Eve is my cycle. Yes, it's TMI. So I feel like when I do cut my hair like that, I think I'm about over the raggediness that's going on with my hair. And because I'm already kind of emotionally like, it just kind of comes out when my cycle is very close. So I think my husband did hide my scissors, because he's more of a, hey, don't chop all your hair off, just transition and let it grow out. Pretty much the same way that how my dad was. When I decided to go natural, when I lived with my dad, I wasn't allowed to. I have both my parents. Like, I don't have two parents, but yeah, my dad was just like, yeah, no, you're not cutting off all your hair. Let it grow out. He wanted me to really keep going to the hair salon, but he's just like, let it grow out. and then see what you can do. But for the most part, he was like, you really need to go and get your hair done professionally. But yeah, my husband is the same way. He's more like, hey, don't chop it all off, just cut it a little bit at a time. So he does hide my scissors maybe sometimes. I don't know if he does, or maybe I just misplaced them. I don't know. Something's gone with my scissors. Something's done happened with my scissors, and I don't know where they went because I can't find them. So I am not gonna chop more hair off right now. I feel like I'm gonna try to wait. Maybe I cut it off in August of 2022. So September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. Maybe I'll cut it off some more in June. Within the twist, just so that I've given my hair 10 months before I chop another amount of hair off of it, so then I don't shock it as well. But y'all, my hair is filling back in quite nicely, especially at in the roots of my hair, like the crown of my hair. The part that I feel like is not getting as thick, and I don't know if I'm just tripping, but I feel like this chromtanium, the chromtanium part, like, is that even a thing? It's the chromtanium for me. I feel like I'm really bright, but I don't have my thing hooked up, so I might be very bright, so excuse me. I don't have my monitor hooked up, but because this is a real impromptu video. But yeah, I am liking the way that the twist fell with her parting my hair. I like everything that how my hair is progressing, but in the chromtanium area, I feel like it's still a lot thinner than what it used to be. And I don't know if that's just because I have these particular bigger braids in my head. I'm really not sure, but I feel like, you know, the progression is coming. I'm still using my oil, and I'm also still using like my shampoo and conditioner and my leave-in conditioner that you guys see me use. But that's the update on my hair right now. I still have a lot of hair to cut off, but I'm happy that she parted my hair, so now I will feel absolutely comfortable with grabbing my hair and cutting chunks of it off, because in my head I feel like my hair will lay the way that it needs to lay if I cut my hair in twist. Now, I'm not telling you guys to do this. If you don't feel comfortable cutting off your hair, and especially if you feel like, oh my goodness, that's gonna make your hair uneven if you cut off your hair while it's in twist, I'm not telling you to do it. I'm telling you what I'm doing with my hair to get it back all one level and thick. So if you don't feel comfortable doing it, don't do it at all. I'm just letting y'all know what I'm going through, my experience, and maybe if you want to follow along, you can. But my hair product is giving my hair real moisturized. Like, it's really, really moisturized. But I feel like I made the product a little too thick, so I might thin it out a little bit with a little bit of water so that it can sink into the twist a little bit more easier, or make some type of spray. You guys, I do know that I need to do a couple of more tea rinse, just so when I like take out my twist, then I hopefully won't get that much shedding like I did when I took them out when I was in Kansas. But yeah, guys, this is what the state of my hair is looking like. I don't know when I'm going to wash them again, but I'm gonna let y'all know everything step by step. But I did say when I wet them fully in the shower again, I am going to take down each twist and then retwist it up. So I'm not gonna ramble long in this video. I really hope you guys enjoy these updates and me talking to you guys and just letting you guys know what's going on step by step. And yeah, leave comments down below if you're on this COVID hair loss recovery with me. Just leave like a thumbs up or something, just to let me know that you're here with me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.